This video tutorial will cover opening the IED configuration in Configurator software, saving the changed configuration, troubleshooting of possible errors, restoring the configuration to one of the previous saves. Before editing the configuration, we recommend updating to the latest version of ЭКRА SMSSP software package, available for download from the technical support site, soft.ekra.ru. In order to edit the IED configuration, you will need a configuration file with ARH extension, and library file with LZG extension. Opening and saving the configuration with an inappropriate library file may lead to incorrect operation of the device. Configuration files and libraries must be downloaded using Smart Monitor software from the IED, which configuration you plan to edit. Watch the video tutorial operation of ED2 generate files for sending to the manufacturer to see how it is done. Next, open the configuration file using Configurator software and specify the path to the library file with the LZG extension in the window that appeared. By default, the path to the standard library installed with the Configurator software is specified. Then click OK, wait until opening of the configuration is complete and then proceed to editing. After making the necessary changes in the configuration, save it via File menu or by clicking on the Save button on the toolbar. When saving, the configuration is automatically verified for errors, and if there are any, the configuration errors window is opened. Each error has a description as well as its type in the window. There are two types in total. The first one is errors. These are critical errors, with which the IED will not function correctly. The second, warnings. These are warning messages about incorrect setting of parameters, which does not affect the operation of the basic functions of the IED. Some errors and warnings can be automatically fixed. By default, they are already checked in the Fix column. Information about what changes will be made during automatic fix can be obtained by hovering the cursor over the checkbox. Other errors must be fixed manually. The description contains enough information to determine the cause of error and how to fix it. If it is necessary to save intermediate changes for further editing of the configuration, it can be saved with errors. The next time you open the configuration, list of available errors will be located in a tab on the bottom panel. And if there is no tab, it can be opened via View menu. Also, when saving, a file of the previous saved version of the configuration with SBOC extension is created additionally. You can restore the previous saved version of the configuration by deleting the extension and the file name, and the time of generation of this file, indicated in brackets. This ends up the video tutorial. We hope it proved itself useful to you. Thank you for attention.